Alright, so today's just going to be another one of those chill kind of hangout type of videos. Just a reminder, Key's Auto Show in New Jersey is next Sunday already. It's coming up pretty quick. I just got back from camping for a week and my car is just filthy right now, so I'm just going to basically do a really deep clean on the car, get it ready for the car show, and then I have to change the oil. I probably won't film the oil change stuff just because I've done it so many times, but let's get into cleaning it. I'll actually show you what it looks like right now. It's pretty embarrassing. So while I'm doing this, I just want to take a moment right now and just say thank you so much to all of you who have been part of my channel, whether you have just started following me recently or you've been here from day one, you know, like the yellow fog light video. That's like one of the earliest ones that I remember. I just want to say thank you because like these opportunities, working with companies like Keys, going to this auto show, companies like FCP Euro, some deals that I've done with them, that stuff wouldn't have been possible without your support on my channel, and I'm just like so humbled and so grateful for all of you. So just thank you for sticking around this long, and look forward to more cool videos in the future, I guess. So now as far as this trip goes, so we're going to New Jersey. The show is on Sunday, but we're actually gonna head out there on Wednesday evening, and the plan is to spend a day in New York City if we can. We tried to do that last year, but because of the weather, it kind of got rained out. So this year we're going to try to hit like some of the bigger landmarks, the Statue of Liberty, the World Trade Center, stuff like that. Then we're going to spend some time with Brian hanging out at his shop. And then of course Sunday is the show, and I hope to see some of you guys there. So I've got to admit, as much as I like keeping my car as clean as possible at all times, there is something really satisfying about cleaning it like this after it's really dirty, where you can see like a really good before and after difference. So one thing that I want to show you guys really quick is this new wax that I've been trying out, so I'll show you what it looks like. It's this Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax, not sponsored by the way. I just bought this at Meijer. You can buy this pretty much at any auto parts store. But yeah, I'm really impressed with it so far. It's really good longevity, probably one of the longest lasting spray waxes that I've used. Obviously not a replacement to getting your car like ceramic coated, but as far as spray waxes go, I think that this stuff is pretty good. And for like $13, definitely worth a try. I'll show you what the water beading looks like here on the hood. If I just put it on full. Now I applied this last maybe 2 weeks ago, so this is how it looks after 2 weeks of being on there. You can see that it's still repelling water. Pretty impressive. So I'll leave a link to this down below, or like I said, you can buy this pretty much any auto parts store or any place that sells wax. Definitely worth a try. Really like this stuff. So the way that this stuff works is that after you've washed the whole car and rinsed it, all you do is you spray just like that, and then as you rinse it, that'll kind of spread the product around. You can actually see it working there. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about the technical quality of this video. I'm actually shooting this on a Canon 70D, which is actually the camera that I used to use when I first started this channel. As much as I like shooting in 4K, to be totally honest with you, I think that the benefits of shooting in 4K don't always outweigh like all the extra work and time that goes into making 4K content. So just let me know what you think. I'm interested to hear your thoughts on that. Do you think the 1080 is sufficient? Because honestly, this camera is a lot easier to use than my A6500. Actually, the reason that I'm not using the A6500 today is because that camera overheats a lot, and it was pretty warm out today, so I figured that the 70D would be the safer choice. But now that I'm using it and I actually have a flip out screen, which I really miss, I like this camera a lot. I'll just leave it at that, I guess. So this might be my last upload before I leave for this trip, so in case I don't see you until then, I really hope to see you guys at this auto show in New Jersey. I really love meeting you guys in person, and it was an awesome time last year. I imagine that this year's going to be even better. So the link to sign up is going to be in the description. I'll also put a link down for that Maguire's wax that I showed you earlier in the video. I really love that stuff. I definitely think that it's worth trying out. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in New Jersey.